I'm Porter as well, and I'm going to show you how to repair your fingerboard bushings. Just the bottom one, because I'm cool like that. Alright, what you're going to need is, you're going to need, obviously, your fingerboard, or just the truck in there. You're going to need your tool to take the truck off. You're going to need one of these little rubber bracelets. You could get them at, like, I don't know, you can get them places, toy stores. And you're going to need a hole puncher, but I don't have that, so I'm going to need to go get it real quick. Alright, so you got your hole puncher, you got your fingerboard, or just the trucks, you got your bracelet, and the tool. Oh, you also need a ow. Alright. So you're gonna also need a little thumb pin that you can, it's pointy. Okay. So what you first want to do is take your bracelet. Well, I'm only doing one because the other one I already fixed. And you're going to place it under, right under the little hole, so that the whole thing's covered. But let me get that in there. It's not wanting to go. Okay, this is really weird. I'm going to poke the hole and then I'm going to start a new clip. Alright, so I finally got my little hole, my little circle. It's not really a circle because I had to stretch it and stuff, but it came out pretty good. Next thing you want to do is you're going to find a little, okay, so you're going to find a cutting board, if you have one, or just like your desk, and take the needle, the thimble, you come over here to my office, and you're going to want to put it down, and just, and push down all the way through where you think it should be. And you take that off, and you're pretty much done. Congratulations. But all you like, one more thing. You have to take off your truck, which I already did. You unscrew the little top nut, this one, that goes like right here. Then you want to slide this off, take off the top bushing. So then you'll just have this. You want to take that one off, put your new one on right where you made the mark. It should go through pretty good. Then take your truck, put it back on, put it in there, put the bottom bushing, the bushing that was on the bottom, on the top, because the bottom ones are bigger. So then you want to put the truck back on, screw it in nice. And now it doesn't wobble. It doesn't wobble like when you shake it and stuff. But when you push down on it, it turns like a real skateboard, which is cool. I think I'm going to do that with my other one, because my other one has a bad material. And I don't know. Yep. Alright. Well, I hope this helps you. And I'm not editing this, so it's probably going to be pretty bad. Bye.